You can do MIG, you can do TIG, you can do flex core, you can do arc welding. I like all the different ones you can do. All the machines work perfectly. Like I can lay a nice bead without it messing up or like it being way too hot or way too cold. Our gas is perfectly fine. Our ventilation's really good. I saw that like welding really is a dominant like trade, and I wanted to get into it because it seems like it pays a lot. You do your work, it's more of your creations, and then I also like doing the projects on the side. This program was also a nice opportunity to learn more than one thing. I'm just glad I made the friends I made because they're also really good at welding as well.